Looking to tidy up your Chrome browser and declutter your list of search engines? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of removing search engines from Chrome. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your search experience faster, more organized, and tailored to your preferences. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. You'll want to start here because all the options we're going to use are tucked neatly within Chrome's own settings. If you have several tabs open, that's perfectly fine. You don't need to close anything. Just make sure Chrome itself is running and you're looking at the main browser window. Now, at the top right corner of Chrome, you'll see a little icon with 3 vertical dots. Some people call this the More menu, and it's your gateway to all sorts of settings. Go ahead and give that a click. This part is pretty standard, but if you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the top row, just near your profile picture or avatar if you're logged into Chrome. Once you find the 3 dots, click them, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Alright, now you're in Chrome's settings page. There are a lot of options here, but don't worry, we're looking specifically for search engine settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar. Scan for the Search Engine section. Usually it's about midway down the list. Click on Search Engine, and then you're going to want to click on Manage Search Engine and Site Search. This is the area where Chrome lists every search engine you've ever used or added. Think of it like spring cleaning for your browser. You're about to weed out the search engines you no longer need or recognize. Once you're on this page, you'll see a list of all the search engines connected to your Chrome browser, along with any custom site searches you may have set up. Take a moment to scroll through and spot those you want to remove. It might be old entries, accidental additions, or simply ones you never use. There's no rush here. If you're unsure about a particular entry, you can always leave it for now and come back later. To remove a search engine from the list, look for the 3-dot menu next to each search engine or site. Clicking these dots will bring up a tiny menu. If you're a bit hesitant about what you're deleting, Chrome will always show you the website's name and the search string, so double-check before you take action. When you're ready, click the Delete option. A quick tap here, and the search engine will vanish from your list. Chrome does this instantly, so you don't need to refresh or restart. Nice and straightforward. Repeat this process for each search engine you want to remove. Maybe you added a custom search engine ages ago and can't remember why. Or perhaps you want to stick with just Google and remove everything else. It's all about personalizing your browser to suit your workflow and preferences. And that's it. You've just cleaned up your Chrome search engine list, making your searches quicker and more focused. If you run into any hiccups, don't worry. Just follow the steps again or leave a comment below, and I'll help you out. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with your questions, or share your experience, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy browser tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.